So it's a favorite recipe. They've had it hanging in our cupboard now for about 20 years. It's kind of a go-to. And for this video, I get to use all my favorite utensils. And my mussels. Okay, so let's replace the vanilla. We could substitute that, get some flavor that we love. And you know what? Those eggs, maybe you want to use applesauce instead. Dude. It's time to choose that flavor. What kind do you like? Mint, vanilla, orange, maybe something more exotic. So, maybe don't use the fairy wine. That mead will wreck you. It'll wreck your cake. The Wizard and the Winged Fairy. I'm just loving using these old vintage utensils. So it's a video that I made. It goes along with the series. The Witchy Fairies got married in September, and we baked a cake. Who wants to lick the beaters? Yeah, I was going to ask about the fingers. Witchy style. So which one would you pick? Would you put fresh fruit in there? Dry fruit, maybe some raisins? A little messy there. Thou hast spilt ye batter. Shh. A moment of silence. Sweet. Oh. Every dirty dish in the house to deal with. All for the fairy wedding. Who cares? We have cinnamon. And another vintage utensil to play with. Let it snow. And to the oven we go. And I cannot wait. And I hope you try this recipe, yeah?